Keep your tile layout reference lines visible by limiting marks to the current row, protecting them from thinset, and cleaning as you go. Start by marking the chalk or pencil guideline boldly, but only along the edge of the next row you will set. Use a bright colored chalk pencil or a non-permanent red pencil so the line shows clearly on both light and dark tile backs. Lay a temporary spacer or a narrow strip of scrap tile against the guideline so thinset does not creep beyond it while you butter the next tile. Apply thinset with a notch trowel away from the line, then transfer thinset to the tile face instead of the floor if you must work close to your guideline. If thinset smears onto the line, wipe immediately with a damp sponge using a sweeping motion parallel to the line to avoid dragging material across it. When working a large area, break the job into sections no larger than the number of tiles you can set and wipe in a single session so lines never become buried overnight. For wet or highly absorbent substrates, consider sealing or misting just ahead of the row so thinset does not darken the line and make it hard to see. Common mistakes include drawing lines across the entire floor, then losing them under thinset, spreading thinset past the line when buttering tiles, and failing to clean smears promptly, which lets the line set into the mortar. If you draw only the next row, you will never have a long line to protect, and it is easy to re-establish the guideline as you progress. If you avoid troweling toward the line and instead trowel away from it, or load the tile directly, you will minimize thinset creep. If you keep a bucket of clean water and a couple of sponges at the ready and wipe immediately after any smears, you will preserve crisp, visible lines for final alignment. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we and our members share tips on topics like maintaining tile layout lines. We help contractors find work by letting them connect with homeowners who need projects and participate in our forums.